Are you struggling with foot pain? These BestHalo insoles are the solution, something that you can really consider. So let me start by saying that they're very comfortable, and the heel cup, as you can see here, is deep, which is amazing because then the bottom of your foot is going to be comfortable and it's going to be cushioned because they have gel. As you can see here, it's a high arc, 1.4 inches. All you have to do is trim it around here to your shoe size. I'm a 7. And what else can I tell you? I like the colors. I like it that you can put them on and off on any shoe. It can be athletic, it can be loafers, or something that it can be boots. And then you are going to be very comfortable walking, even running, even for the gym. I'm planning to use it for the gym because this arch support is great. Even lifting weights, you can be up to 220 pounds, which is a lot even with the weights that I'm saying. Then this is going to support your feet, and then is going to prevent that uncomfortable pain, especially on the bottom of your feet. Here are the guide sizes. This is an extra small because I'm a 7, so the extra small is 5.5 to 7.5. This is how it looks, but they do have larger sizes if you need to. Super easy to put them on and off. In this case, I want to demonstrate it like with this shoe. It's a little bit wide on me, but it's so cute, it's so pretty. So all you have to do, of course, is insert it. I have to trim it because mine, this one is a 7, even though it fits perfectly. This is how it looks. So now that I wear them inside the shoe, my foot is going to be more comfortable and the arc is going to have support. I really recommend you check it out. If you're struggling with pain, there's no need anymore. Check them out. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching.